first one. Let's take our ride on this one right here. It is a nice elevator right here. We're gonna ride it, see what it is. Nice sound. Let's take a ride. Can't show everything. So it's a Dover elevator. Let's go to floor number 2. Look at that door. Whoa. Whoa. That motor sounds amazing. Capacity is 7,000 pounds on this Dover elevator. Right, we're here. The leveling is a bit off, but now here's the second elevator. Let's take a ride on it. It's here. This thing is huge. We're going down. The capacity here is 10,000 pounds. That's a lot. And this one's a little slow. Okay, we arrived in this huge elevator right here. Whoa. This thing is also pretty slow. Okay. Now we're going up again. So it's more of like a smaller one. Wow, it's here. Okay. We're going to floor 2. 3,500 pounds. All right. We're taking the small one for a ride again. Let's call it. It's here. All right. Small one again. We are gonna go down. Let's hear the little noises it makes.